She really has a way of building you up so she can tear you down. I mean, good man. Isn't that what the military does? Or they just tear you down and then they build you up? Hey, it's Lance McGowan here, and today I'm going to talk about a video about a woman who left doTERRA to join Young Living, where, if you remember one of my other videos, I talked about Crystal Trammell, who left Young Living to join doTERRA. So this happened in reverse, which is really interesting. And she left a comment on one of my, Young Living videos that I've done, and I'm just going to share that with you and kind of react along the way so you can kind of get a feel for where I'm coming from as well. Okay, so here we go. She says, "Okay, I can't take being silent anymore. I've watched your videos for several years." Thanks. "I used to think you were very fair and knowledgeable." Used to? "You and I have chatted very nicely over the comments." That's right, because that's how I roll. "But over the last year or so, you have really changed your tactics as far as the way you report information." Okay. "Specifically, but not only, about Young Living. I keep just looking past to the good you offer." Oh, I wish more people would like that. "Unfortunately, this is becoming less and less all the time." Well, I'll take bursting bubbles for 500, Alex. Double jeopardy. Okay, here we go. "And I think this video is the topper. Clearly, you have done no research and the blends or what the changes could be, or why the labeling is different now than before. You are just reporting what another uneducated person is saying. I mean, isn't that what reaction videos kind of are? And how do we know what level of schooling they went to?" Nonetheless, the blend's ingredients have changed because there were ingredients in the old blend that are limited, and Young Living decided rather than continue to take from this resource, they would change the blend to make sure we take care of our planet. Well, if you watch my other video on how Young Living was fined $760,000, you would see how that statement would be. Yeah. Link in the description. But you have not bothered to educate yourself about it. You would prefer to just spout information, whether true or not. That ain't the pot calling the kettle black. Every video you have done regarding Young Living has at least some information that is simply not true. Whenever somebody does, I'm like, which part? Come on, give me specifics. You're over here making... Are they a perfect company who has never made mistakes? Nope. Well, if you saw my Truth About Young Living and Gary Young video, as well as how Young Living was fined $760,000, then yes, that would definitely also be in line with what she just said. But my dear, oh, we on terms of endearment now. Before you go casting stones, when did I cast? I suggest you do some more research before putting up false content, and maybe take an honest look in the doTERRA mirror. I got a mirror right here. Let me show you real quick. I'm gonna show you. No, I'm gonna show you. Hold on. We're gonna do that. We're gonna stop. Look, you see that mirror right there? We're gonna take a look. Breathe some. We're gonna breathe right now. I'm taking an honest look in this doTERRA mirror. I don't know what I'm supposed to find, but I certainly feel more uplifted. Alright, let's continue. It's not all clean and shiny like you report. Like my head. Happy to have a discussion about Young Living versus doTERRA with you. Oh, isn't that what we're kind of doing? But you're kind of telling me to look in the mirror at all this shininess. Alright, a fact-based discussion. Complete facts. Not just partial facts that make things look the way you would like them to. She kind of going in on me, ain't she? Well, I was actually thrilled to see your first video comparing the two companies. Thanks. I worked really hard on those. Until you started with the partial truths and info. She really has a way of building you up so she can tear you down. I mean, good man. Isn't that what the military does? Or they just tear you down and then they build you up? Yeah, that's what, this one's kind of opposite, I guess. I was never in the military, but people sometimes think I am because the bald head, and sometimes I wear a pea coat. But anyways, it has really been a bummer to watch the way you have handled your videos. It kind of hurts. Oh, and P.S. I used to be a doTERRA user before moving to Young Living. Well, person whose name I'm not going to mention in this video, but you know who you are. Dang, I mean, thanks for watching me for so many years. I appreciate it. You know, thanks for the views. And, sad to hear you leave doTERRA and go to, you know, Young Living, but I guess to each their own. Maybe it was a trade, right? Since Crystal Trammell left Young Living to go to doTERRA, and you went from doTERRA to Young Living, it kind of all balances out, doesn't it? Maybe, unless you feel that. Okay, anyways, well that concludes today's video. Thank you so much for watching all the awkwardness, and hit the like button if you did, hit subscribe for future video updates, and most importantly, leave a comment in the description below on whether you think she should have left doTERRA to go to Young Living, or if you think Crystal Trammell should have left Young Living to go to doTERRA. Ooh, I mean, it's a lot of, you know, whoop-doop-a-doop-a-doop-a-doop going on. But that happens. That's normal. That's life. People switch companies. I mean, I went from Sam's Club to Costco. And I enjoyed that decision. I enjoyed Sam's Club while it lasted, and I like Costco better. They have better organic snacks and foods. I mean, it's just better, you know? Kind of like when Crystal Trammell left to join. Just saying. Alright, well, I'll see you in the next video.